Hi, we're Paul and Amy Stamiska. We're part of the Faith Unleashed team. We're members at Bethlehem in Menominee Falls and Germantown and been part of our own member ministry team for about 3 years now. And we've seen the changes that can be made. The Faith Unleashed program is really very comprehensive. One part of it is the discovery workshops, and that's the part that we do.
So, what is a discovery workshop? Good question. It's actually an opportunity for you to spend time with us, with your congregation, to go through what your spiritual gifts are, your experiences, your likes and dislikes, as well as your personality style. When we do that, we're given the opportunity to know what personality, spiritual gifts that God gave us that make us who we are in the body of Christ. When we have that knowledge, we're able to take it to our world, our family, as well as our church. And there's joy in serving when we do that.
We have found that this Faith Unleashed program really is transformational in our own church as well as others in which we've served. We encourage you to check it out because it can make a huge difference for your ministry as well.